Hello everyone, I'm StrawberryCouture. My name is Lenore, but I'm mostly known as StrawberryCouture. As those who have known me, I've been on Etsy, have been selling there since 2006, and I used to crochet hats, and you're probably familiar y'all are familiar with my hat I've been selling on Etsy, physical orders that is. And I did this until the pandemic in 2020. May of 2020, I decided to just focus on the patterns because sometimes it would hurt my neck and my wrist, but I knew how to get around that. But I didn't really want to do this forever, so I decided to more focus on patterns. I switched my website to Canva. I just love it, and when I found out they had a website, I knew I had to switch. Here is the front of my website, and I'll just go along with you. So now that said, here is a QR code. What if you're watching this on YouTube and you decided, that's on my computer screen. I want to put it on my phone so I like to use Google Lens to help easily find that, and you can see the design on your phone. And that, I just love these little visual backgrounds. This next slide is an awesome background. And to do this, I forgot to mention, don't forget to upgrade to Canva Pro. It's $12, $13, $14 a month, but that's a good thing. Here's one, I just linked it, but this is not the current, but don't worry about it. You can tune into my blog post, which is crochetplay.com. All these little things describe my little life experience, and home, it just links to the home page. You can link your sites, link within a link, or link within a page. So here's my lovely about me. Here is follow me with little awesome yarn with a cute little crochet theme, all my little social media and home. Crochet play, there's my little yarn. I just love playing with this stuff, guys. It is awesome. So I just get all gooey about it. Next is the crochet hooks theme, why I crochet. And it all started, my grandmother and I used to craft like we used to do. We'd craft. She would crochet, I would latch hook, and these are all these little crochet hooks. My experience, I used to sew clothing. I would even think about shapes and design even when I was in college. Next, I talk about my experience. I served in the U.S. Army, and I am a veteran. Both my husband and I are veterans. I was an Army cook in the Army. We would order food rations, determine the number of individuals. So I was in a small unit. We would cook for about maybe 100 to 200 people. It was a small area with two companies. Those of you who are active duty or veterans, I just want to say thank you all for your service as well. My next one, I was stationed in South Korea. I was just a Spec 4, guys, Specialist E4. To convert it into civilian terms, I will see E4, that's almost like an assistant to a supervisor, a low-level supervisor, you could say. Next is after the Army, I started two failed businesses, just a little cottage business. I'm a solopreneur. A lot of people are solopreneur. We just love to do our own things. Yes, guys, we're introverts because I just love doing my own thing. I can work by myself. I mean, no offense. I just love working with people. Y'all are awesome. So that just talks about it. And these are my crochet techniques, getting back to the crochet technique world. These are my little patterns. Okay, there they are. I put little YouTube patterns. So this way you can just see all the little crochet techniques. That's how awesome this Canva blog is. And I'm learning just like you guys. We all learn at our own paces. That is okay. Crochet Techniques, okay. Woohoo. Here we go. Crochet Techniques. My next little crochet on YouTube that I do, just want to throw everything together. My next one is another Crochet Techniques. You know what, I'm just going to skip here. I don't want to bore you guys. So, here's me on my Etsy site. Okay, this has to be a live site. Moving on. Now, this is my blog. This is about my blog that I like to do, and this is why I came to Canva. Now, other websites that I had, I'm not going to name them because I wanted to present the name of my blog post with a little picture. And what I like specifically about Canva, it allows me to control how I want to lay out my blog post. Here is the link, and here is a picture of the blog post. So people are drawn to pictures, so they have a picture what it's like. If you're like me, I don't like just words. It's boring, and I just like with pictures. It's so much better. And I'm working on these two. Now, I'm currently working on the others, and I have to transfer from my other blog, and I'm in the process of doing that. But until then, I continue. I hope you like this video, and this just gives you an idea what I'm talking about, and I hope I didn't bore you too long, and you can just zip along whatever you like in this video, and feel free to explore things. And if you discovered a new technique that's not officially on Canva, I have a few little techniques that I'm doing. And until then, I wish you the best, and I will see you in the next possible video. Thank you.